Good morning, students. There are various topics of entrepreneurship that we are going to discuss in today's date. Number one is entrepreneurship development and its concept. First of all, the definition of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is defined as the attempt to create value through recognition of business opportunities through management and recognition of the business opportunity and taking appropriate risk to make a project successful. The next is the characteristics of the entrepreneurship. There are few points regarding the characteristics of an entrepreneurship. There are easy points. Number one, it includes economic activity, decision making, risk taking, object oriented, accepting challenges, innovation, creativity, dynamic process. Now, if we have to discuss all the points, I guess everyone knows what is economic activity. It has to be economic. Decision making, everybody has to be a strong person to make decisions. For this, they have to have good heart. That is, they should be able to take risk. Object oriented, the object should be there in the line so that you can be object oriented, so that you are dynamic. Accepting challenges, you should be good enough to accept the challenges. Innovation is you have to do something differently. More or less, innovation is equivalent to creativity. So that is again very important. Dynamic process, you should be flexible. If you're not flexible, you cannot do your business successfully. Last but not the least, in today's date, what we are going to do is types of entrepreneurship. There are two types of entrepreneurship. One is small business enterprise and another is corporate entrepreneurship. Now, what is small business enterprise? Small business enterprise is the one that is started at the very basic enterprise or very basic business. It does not include heavy investments and is started on a very small scale. The next is the corporate entrepreneurship. Now, what is all about the corporate entrepreneurship? It includes heavy investment and is done on a large scale. Thank you.